Quache, ele, paine, iye, ah, ime, usu. Hi! Kaki, ele, hey, ooh, hey, ooh, ooh. But ele, kaki, ele, ime, ime. Me. Me. Kaki. Ime. Kusi. Ime. Allez, hey. Hey, hey. Hey. Moi. Iye kusi kime. Iye. Moi. Iye. Ba iye. Iye. We all suffer. The rich and the poor, and the Mexican and the Zimbabwean. And sometimes we hit a wall where there is no solution, where there is no exit. There is only pain. there is only loss. And there really is no solution. There really is no exit. There is only our tears. There is only our emptiness, our hurt. And that's when some of us give up. But if we carry on swimming, in no particular direction, with no solution in mind, we carry on. At some point, we change. And when we change, a world of possibility opens up. A new joy, a new love, a new nation, maybe only a new wisdom, a new strength. And this joy, this new happiness, it doesn't necessarily make the pain okay. It doesn't necessarily make it worthwhile. We might still be weeping into our old age for that loss. We might still wake up with our heart broken. But just as the pain is real, so also is the joy. Both are real. Until at last our sorrow and our joy, like two lovers, embrace. Now, I don't know if you have ever been against that world. I don't know whether you know what it is like to break under the weight of too much sorrow. I don't know if you have cried so many tears your eyes are dry, but you still are weeping. I know what that world is like. I know what it is like to crumble, to be lost without an exit. And if you have ever experienced such pain, if you have ever been so totally stuck and overwhelmed, is it not strange that you should be here today listening to a crazy Mexican? No solution, sorrow, crazy Mexican. No exit, no way out, crazy Mexican. Something changed. You were there and now you're here. I was there and now I'm here. What changed? I don't know. I can tell you this helped and this helped, but really, nothing can finally explain how from being on the ground and bleeding, I could be here with you today. Something changed, because something always does. Now, if I turn into my evil spirit, I see into your future, and I can tell you, you will suffer. You will be sad and lonely and lost. But if I turn into my great spirit, like a fairy, I say, days ahead are glorious. You're going to have the most amazing time. You're going to meet incredible people. There's going to be moments of such happiness. You won't be able to hold them in your heart. And you know what? Both are true. Because that's what life does. It changes. Which means finally one thing. That you may come across that wall again. Perhaps you face that wall right now. But however hard it is, it will change. Which means that no matter how high the wall, no matter how dark the night, how heavy the burden, there is always hope. There is always hope. There is always hope. Wow.